Croeso, welcome. Thank you for taking the time to attend this consultation event on the draft Additional Learning Needs Code. Please accept my apologies for not being able to be there with you in person. I'm delighted that there is such strong interest from a wide range of sectors, professionals, practitioners and parents in our ALN transformation programme. It is vital that we get our new system right, and we need your ideas about how to do so. The Welsh Government is committed to creating a fully inclusive education system where all learners are inspired, motivated and supported to reach their full potential. A key objective of our national mission for education in Wales is to create strong and inclusive schools committed to excellence, equity and well-being. The Additional Learning Needs Transformation Programme is a central part of this, and ensuring its success is one of my top priorities. As Minister for Education, I've visited many schools and colleges across the country and have had the pleasure of meeting a diverse range of learners, their families and the professionals dedicated to supporting them to learn. Meeting them always reinforces for me that every learner must have access to an education that meets their needs and enables them to participate in, benefit from and enjoy their learning experiences. Through the Additional Learning Needs and Education Tribunal Act, regulations and the ALN Code, we want to transform the system for supporting children and young people with additional learning needs. The new ALN system will place learners' views, wishes and feelings at the very heart of the process for planning the support necessary to enable them to overcome barriers to learning. It focuses on the importance of identifying needs early and putting in place timely and effective interventions which are monitored and adapted to ensure that they deliver the desired outcomes. It's designed to provide a unified, equitable system of support to learners throughout their education, from preschool to college.
I'd like to take this opportunity to formally show my support for the changes being brought about by the ALN Act and the code which supports it. The new ALN system provides an opportunity for health and education bodies to work in a more collaborative way to ensure the needs of children and young people are met appropriately and with minimum delay. It's important that all agencies involved in supporting children and young people with additional learning needs know what to expect from each other. All partners need to work together as seamlessly as possible in order to help get the very best possible outcomes. I'm pleased to see that health boards have been involved in the development of the ALN Act since the start. I expect the health service in Wales to do all it can to help deliver the new system as part of a multi-agency response. Our aim is to make a tangible improvement to the way in which we help children and young people with additional learning needs to have the most fulfilling lives possible. The ALN Act undoubtedly brings challenges, but it also provides us with a great opportunity to work together to make a positive difference to people's lives. We need your help and expertise to help develop the code, and so your participation here today is vital. I hope that you find today's event helpful and informative, and that it energises you to help make the changes in your organisations that we all need in order to deliver the ALN system.
Mae'r cod newydd yn cyfle eiraidd iawn yn fy marn i ddatblygu a gwella ar y cefnogaeth dyn ni'n rhoi i'n pobl ifanc. Mae'n bwysig iawn bod athrawon yn ymwybodol o'r gwahanol anghenion sydd gan plant y dyddiau yma ac i darparu addysg sydd yn cefnogi bawb ac yn cynnwys pawb.
I think change is vital for our learners. It allows our learners to be able to reach their full potential by accessing services and having the opportunities for their future.
The unified plan is a key element that follows that young person from 0 to 25. Having that level of support there, the idea that you're bringing all professionals around the table is a key element to the new code of practice.
Although changes have been made, I think you can always improve, and I think it's always good to make improvements to everything, because eventually you might actually get it perfect.
Yn y bôn, mae'r cod yn rhoi y disgybl yng nghanol yr holl broses sydd yn hynod bwysig. Ac os oes disgybl sydd yn cael ei magu trwy'r Cymraeg, yn siarad Cymraeg gartre neu yn addysg cyfrwng Cymraeg, dylen nhw cael yr un hawliau a pawb arall. Felly mae'r cod yn diogelu'r ffaith bod Cymraeg a'r Saesneg yr un mond bwysig ei gilydd yn ein cenedl ni.
One of the changes I really like is the one-page pupil plan, which informs my teaching on what the pupil likes, what they dislike, and helps me build a relationship with that pupil in my classroom.
Because of support I get, I'm hoping to get a lot of A levels so I can become a computer scientist.
It has been a long journey to get us where we are today with this significant reform. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all those stakeholders, including practitioners, children, young people and parents who have contributed to the development of the legislation and the proposals for the new ALN system now set out in our draft ALN code and consultation document. These proposals now need to be tested, and we need your continued ideas and engagement to ensure that we deliver real change for children and young people with additional learning needs, their families, and the services that support them. All of the feedback received, including from today, will be carefully considered and will be used to help us further refine and shape the ALN code and regulations. It is then my intention to lay these before the National Assembly for approval later this year, with a view to the final code being published by the end of 2019. Training on the code will then be rolled out across the regions from the start of 2020, with a 3-year phased implementation of the new ALN system beginning in September 2020. Together, I know that we can deliver a system that ensures that every learner meets their full potential. So thank you. Diolch am galon.